Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to let you know that how you can use online Photoshop. Without wasting any time, I am going to my laptop screen now and I want to show you in a very few simple steps. Let's suppose you are on traveling, or you do not have access of Photoshop software, Adobe Photoshop software. Then you can use this software as online Photoshop. It need nothing but a laptop and an internet connection. So I'm going to open my Chrome and I am going to search here online Photoshop free. So you can see here is a website, photopea.com, Photopea online photo editor. So I'm going to open this website. It is an advanced photo editor, just like Photoshop. You can see everything is just like Photoshop. Its interface is also just like Photoshop. You can make it visible for according to your own history, layers, channels, paths, and files, edit section, image section, layer section, select, filter, view, window, more, account, search, and full screen. So first of all I'm going to apply as full screen and I'm going to close this ad. So it is not closing, so let it be. Friends, what I'm going to do, first of all I am going to open any file. I have this, I think, a photo of a man with beard, so I'm going to open. What I'm going to do, friends, I just want to remove its background. So just like you can say as Photoshop, you can use tools which you have complete, you can say as expertise, but I am going to come up with magnetic lasso tool, and I am going to just open. Sorry, unfortunately I was at some mistake, so I will just rotate it on the sides of this man, so I can also adjust it. Sorry, I will do it again. So friends, my purpose is not to remove its background, but I just want to show you that how it really works. So I will do it very quickly so that you can get some idea how it really works. So with same tools you can use to add to your screen, or you can remove as well. So it is very simple. So let's do it with lasso tool, because I do not have much time to spend my all of day here, because I have a lot of work. So I am going to make it quickly in a very rough position. I will press Ctrl J and you can see it has been converted to a new layer. I can also now remove. I am going to delete this part. I am going to delete this one and delete this. So delete this one. You can make it properly. You can say you can remove your background properly when you have spare time, but I do not have spare time. I just want to show you, friends. From here you can add new layer track, and you can similarly add some text. Let's suppose I want to add some text here. So I am going to enter text. I can select this one. I can increase its size, and I can also change its color. Let's suppose I want to make it red. I can do it. Press OK. So it is now red. So I can drag it where I want. So let's suppose I want to put it here. I can do it very easily. It is very simple, easy to use, and you need nothing to worry. It is just like Photoshop. You can create shapes, you can create apply filter effects, anything you want. I just want to introduce you about this website, that is photopea.com, and it is quite good website. So I think you got some idea how we can do all of these things. You can apply this clone tool, clone stamp tool, brush tool. So you can remove these layers as well, unhide, and you can use brushes. So I'm going to create a new layer and I can apply brush. First of all, I will have to choose its color. I will have to apply some alignment, and I can do it. So I can apply crop tool to crop the things. So you can also choose this one. You can select specific area. You can apply blur effect as well. So you can apply pen tool. So it is very, I already told you, simple way to do these things. So you can create some type of shapes. I think you got some idea. I will see you next video. Take care. Bye bye.